Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm gonna do a short video on cornering, just cornering. More specifically, how you go around corners. I find that a lot of people have a big problem cornering, and especially cornering and staying in their lane. So we're gonna make a couple of turns just to give you an idea of how to stay specifically in your lane and the basic of cornering, right? So I'm in a neighborhood, a regular neighborhood, so we're gonna just drive down to the first corner, and then I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna give you some tips on how to go around the corner and stay in your lane. Alright, so I'm making a left turn here. I'm coming up to a regular street in any neighborhood, right? So I'm gonna come to a complete stop at this stop sign, and then I'm gonna make a left turn. Alright, so we're gonna go out to the middle of the road here until your mirror is lined up with the yellow line, and then you turn. Right? So in order to stay in your lane, right, you go out to the middle. We're gonna make a left turn here, a right turn here, sorry. So you go around the corner and you release the steering wheel like that. We're gonna go again make a left turn in this street. So we're gonna go again until your mirror is out into the middle of the street, and then turn to stay in your right lane. And then you let go of the steering wheel when you finish with the corner. And the car is generally designed to straighten up by itself. It will straighten up when you go around the corner. You let go of the steering wheel, the car straightens up by itself. Alright, so I'm gonna do another turn here. So we're gonna stop, we're gonna look over there, make sure there's nothing coming. We're gonna look here, make sure there's nothing coming. And then we're gonna go out into the middle of the street and turn again to end up in the right side of the road. Right, we're gonna do it again here. We're going out to the middle until your mirror is out in the middle of the road like here, and then turn. And that takes you into the correct lane. Right? That is basically how you turn. So we're gonna go around again and do a couple of more turns. See if that helps you. Because like I said, a lot of people have huge problems turning, right? So we're gonna make a left turn here again. We're gonna go out into the middle of the road. When your mirror here is in the middle of the road is when you will turn to get you onto the right side of the road. Right? We're gonna do that again. Make a left turn here, and you're gonna go out into the middle of the street, the middle of the road, and then you turn and go around the corner just like that, and let it go. It straightens up by itself. Alright, that is basically how you turn. I mean, you practice that, you practice, and eventually you will get good at it. Like anything else, with practice you will become really good at turning. Alright, so thank you for watching, and continue to support the channel and subscribe. Press that like button and share the videos, please. I've been doing a lot, making videos. I've been getting a lot of support from you guys. I want you to continue to support. Press the like button, share the video, and thank you very much.